Good morning. Sit in a circle, everyone. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Where are you coming from now?
From home, sir.
From home. Make a huge circle. What shall we do? What do you like doing?
Sir, I like to play.
Do you like playing?
Yes.
Shall we do a dance also?
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you like it? Shall we do it?
Yes, sir.
Ready? I'll tell you once. Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
No, this is not okay. You should dance just like the way I did. Okay? Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Keep the book a little forward and stand a little back. Ready? Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
My name is one.
My name is one.
Behind me is zero.
Behind me is zero.
I'm in front of it.
I'm in front of it.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
My name is two.
My name is two.
Behind me is
Is
zero.
One.
Ah.
One.
my name is two.
My name is two.
Behind me is
One.
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 Behind me is one.
I'm in front of it.
I'm in front of it.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
My name is
My
name is
three.
Three.
Behind me is two. Jhanjhana, jhanjhana.
I'm in front of it.
I'm in front of it. Jhanjhana, 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 jhana.
Jhanjhana, 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 jhana. Jhanjhana, 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 jhana. Jhanjhana, 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 jhana. Jhanjhana, jhanjhana. Okay. Shall we all sit down now?
Yes, sir.
One more game. How many of you have traveled by a bus? Okay. What do they do in a bus, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let us make two divisions here. All of you are passengers, okay?
Oh.
You are going to travel.
Oh.
We need a driver for the bus.
Sir.
Who will be the driver?
Sir.
You want to come forward? Okay, come. You are a passenger. You are a driver, okay?
Okay, sir.
Where should the driver sit? Do you sit in the front or at the back? In the front. The bus is going this way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sit down.
Me, sir. I'm conductor, sir. Me,
Huh?
I'll come. Conductor. Conductor, sir. Me, sir.
Do you want to come up? Come.
Me, sir. Me, sir.
You are the conductor.
Yes, sir.
What does the conductor have? Huh?
Sir.
Ticket. And
And bag.
money, right?
Money.
Shall I give you some tickets?
Yes, sir.
This is the ticketing machine, okay? How do you put it? Yeah, this is the way. Okay? Now, what will you do?
Ticket.
You know what to do, right?
Yes, sir.
All these are passengers. Bus is going, okay? Bus, come on. You drive it. Oh, you are driving it. Okay. What will you do now?
Beep, beep. I'll give tickets, sir.
And then,
Tickets.
once you ask for the ticket, you will have to give the ticket.
Yes, sir.
You have the tickets here. These are the
Yeah.
tickets, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hey, give that to me.
What will you give him?
Money.
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 Do you have money?
No.
Sir.
Shall I give you some money?
Yes,
Sir, real money.
What will you give? Will you give money or tickets?
Ticket.
Yes, correct. Now I'll give you some money
Sir, for me.
to all of you.
Sir, me, sir.
Where will you go? You should ask.
Give me so much like them.
Where you going?
Hey, how much is the money?
30 rupees.
What is the ticket price for Mangalore?
30 rupees.
How much?
Sir. 30 rupees, sir. He is not giving me 30. Give the change. Oh.
Hey,
Take the ticket,
Hey.
yaar.
conductor, come here quickly. Give me.
Give me. I'll give you. You give me that. I'll give you the change.
You have to pay him how much ever he says.
You have to give me 30.
Is it correct? You have to check.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It's correct.
Yes, sir.
Then, what will you give them? Where are the tickets?
Ticket. I'll give the ticket. Tickets.
Sir, for me, sir.
Where do you have to go?
Where do you have to go?
Chikmagalur.
Chikmagalur. Yeah, I'll give the ticket. It's 20 rupees.
Hey, you're going to
Yeah.
Chikmagalur.
Now, what did you see?
Oh.
Yes.
What happened here?
So, bus going to
Some of
Mangalore.
them gave less money. What do?
Give the
Give the money, sir.
No, you have to ask them to alight. Get down,
Oh,
right?
Get down.
Ah.
Didn't give money. Get down, da.
You have to tell them where you have to go. When he asks, they will give the name of the place. Come here.
Okay.
Sir, for
B,
me,
right?
sir,
Mother
ticket
will
for
give
What is the
the
name of your
money.
team?
I don't know about that.
I don't know. Yes, sir. I got the money.
Rose. Rose group, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what did you do?
Sir, I collect
When you asked for ticket, they said Chikmagaluru.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Chikmagalur.
Sir, I asked them for
I
money and
asked
gave
them,
the
sir,
ticket, now I want to be
You
the
have to
maid.
pay so
5
much
rupees.
Sir, I-
to this place, 50 rupees.
He don't be the
And they gave you the
conductor,
money.
you're a girl, not a
Okay.
boy.
Yes, sir.
Now you have seen this in a bus, right?
Yes,
You have seen this.
Yes,
We have all seen this happen in a bus.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, Vinyas, come here, Vinyas. What did Vinyas do? While giving tickets, whoever had whatever money, he asked for that money.
Yes,
What happened then?
sir.
Nobody had to get change. He did not give change at all. Was there a possibility?
No.
There was no such possibility, right? What do you see normally? They give the change. So if I have 50 rupees and the ticket is 49 rupees, you have to give change. How much?
1
Rupee.
Is that right?
Which place are you traveling?
Do you all know? Vinyas,
Yes, sir.
come here. Stop giving tickets now. Come here.
Why, sir? He didn't
You are
give
not
me
the
my
conductor now. I am the
order.
conductor.
Tickets.
Come here, come here.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Now, the ticket costs 46 rupees. I have 50 rupees. How much do I have to give back?
4.
4 rupees. Ticket is 105 rupees. 500 rupees I have. How much should I give back?
Place is that?
Foreigner?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Sir,
Fast, sir. Fast.
I have 500. How much should I pay? 395.
395.
Is that possible? Can you give change when they ask?
No, sir.
Right. Will you do it? Okay.
Sir,
Now,
sir,
all
sir,
of you
sir,
sit in your groups.
Give my pencil.
Bus conductor game, did you enjoy it?
Yes,
Now shall we play bank game?
What is that?
What
sir?
is
Okay.
that? I need money
Bank
for
game.
that, sir. Give me
Okay.
money, I'll play, sir. No, sir.
Sir, sir, sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
sir.
You want to be the manager or cashier?
Sir, cashier.
Ah, wait. I'll tell you. Only those should stand. Okay, I will give you money.
Sir, my
Okay,
chance,
sir.
my one chance.
The C of each group. I'll give you the cash to them.
Sir, give me, sir. First, I asked you, sir. Please,
See?
sir. Sir, I asked you first.
Will get the
sir.
cash. Now, all C's have all money, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, all B's take 10 rupees from them.
Sir, am I a
B.
I don't know.
10 rupee. 10 rupees note.
Yes, sir. Why did you put me at the beach, right?
Did you get it? Okay. Now B has to go to the bank and give 10 rupees. And how many 1 rupee notes should they get? Give it to them.
Sir, 20, sir. Sir, 10.
D, what are you doing? Where is the money? Give it to them. No, you're not listening to me. Children, see. Who is the cashier?
Sir, me, sir. Sir,
Do you all have the money?
Sir,
What did we do now? When we gave 10 rupees, what did you do? You gave 10 1 rupee notes.
Yes, sir.
Now, every cashier has to give 100 rupees to D. 100 rupees. One note of 100 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Now, if I give 100 rupees to the bank,
I don't have enough.
what should the bank give back to me?
100.
10 rupee notes? How many of them? Will you give and see? How many of them?
10,
Give it and see.
sir. 10, sir.
Did you give it?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, every cashier give 1000 rupees to A. To A.
Okay, sir.
Now A
I'm rich.
should go to the bank, to the cashier, and how many 100 rupees will you get?
Sir, 10, sir.
How many 100 notes? 10. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
How many 10 notes will you get? Watch here. If you give 1000 rupees, 100 rupees, how many notes will you get? 10. Correct. 100, 200.
300,
400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
1000.
If you have to get 10 rupees notes, how many will you get?
Call it 1000. Okay, that's my way.
100, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
100.
How did you say?
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sir, I lost the count.
So, if it is 10 into 10, it is 100 rupees. Then,
10 into 10 is 100.
how much should you give? 10 rupee notes.
10 rupee notes.
Watch here.
Okay, sir.
See, this is 1 rupee. How many should I arrange to get a blue rod? 10, correct?
Yes.
Did I arrange it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What did I get?
20.
Now, how many of these 10 should I arrange to get a plate? This is 100 rupees, right?
10, sir.
10.
This is 100 rupees.
Green color.
How many should I arrange?
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
Is it correct?
10,
Shall we see?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it equal?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same to same.
How many do we have here?
2.
2, sir.
10 we have. 1, 2,
Sir,
3,
we
4,
have
5,
ten.
10 are there.
100.
Then 10 blue rods will give you 100 green plate. This, how many of these green plates should we get to get this cube? 10. Shall we see it?
10? Yes, sir.
Let us arrange 10 here. Count how many are there?
Sir,
B count it.
I never get to
1,
touch
2,
it only.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10 are there.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that equal?
Yes, sir. Correct,
Sir.
sir.
Right?
Sir.
Yes.
It's correct, sir.
So, if we arrange 10 of this, we got 110, right? Now, if I keep 10 tens like this,
Sir, we got
He's
100.
making one
We got this.
green,
what if we arrange
then
10 of
one
green?
into
1000.
10
We get this.
will make the
Right?
red one.
Yes, sir.
So, if I give this one, what will they give me? How many of these?
10.
How many of these?
10.
10, right? 10.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
100.
sir.
How many are there? 10.
10.
So, when I give this one, how many blue rods will I get?
10.
Do they give me 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What if I give one of this?
Sir,
10.
Okay. Therefore, if I give 1 10 rupees, How many of these will I get? 1 rupee each. If I give 100 rupees,
10.
10 I will get.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I give 1000 rupees, how many notes of 100 will I get?
10.
Therefore, for 1000 rupees, how many of this will I get?
Who
Sir,
said?
100.
100. How did you get it?
100,
Sir, that is not a real money.
Will you get 100?
Sir, 10 for 100, 20 for 200, 30 for 300, 40 for 400, 50 for 500.
Did you understand? What did he say?
10, 100,
10 for 100.
20,
Ah.
200, 30, 300, 40, 400.
In the same way, for 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees, how much will he get? 100.
I knew it.
1 rupee notes, how many should I give?
1000, sir.
1000.
Only he is answering. Every team C. C, you have to tell me. This is 1000 rupee note. This is 1 rupee note. How many of this will you get?
100, 1000.
1000, right? Therefore, if I give 100 rupees, how many 10 rupees note will I get?
Sir,
10.
1000.
If I give 10 rupees,
10 rupees.
1 rupee notes, how many will I get?
10.
10.
Correct. If I give 100 of 1 rupee notes, what will the bank give me? 100 rupees.
100.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
How to convert, did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everything we build in proportion of 10, right? We have
Yes,
increased
sir.
it. If we go on building like this, what do we get? Bigger one,
10,000.
10,000. And if we make 10 of that, you haven't learnt it yet. You will learn it in the next class. Then we will get 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Right?
So much.
1 lakh we will
Sir,
get.
how much is 1 lakh?
Now, what is this?
Sir,
One.
Sir, cube.
This is 1 unit. Can I cut it into half?
Yes.
See, this is a chocolate. Okay? This chocolate, I have to distribute.
Yes, sir. Me, sir. I want.
Sir, sir, sir.
Take
I
this.
want,
Sir,
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 sir.
for me. For me.
Give it to 2 people.
I won't
Equally,
give this.
okay?
Okay, sir.
You have to give it equally.
Take it.
Give me.
One,
Then?
2. That's all.
One more. Is it equal?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
There is one remaining.
That's mine.
No. It has to be distributed equally. You have to give it to them only.
Okay.
Right.
Break it
I
and
will
give.
break it and give.
You have to cut it into half, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, look at it here. We kept increasing. Here, we have to cut it into pieces. Do you know how to cut it?
Yes.
How
Yes,
many pieces do we
sir.
have to cut into?
Sir, 2.
And
For 2
break it.
people, half. For 3 people?
Sir, 3.
Sir, quarter.
For 4 people?
4 pieces.
4,
For 5 people?
5 pieces.
How many ever people are there? So many pieces we have to cut.
Pieces.
Yes, sir.
Right? We don't know how many people. Just as we added 10 here, we have to cut it into 10 equal parts.
Okay,
What do we do?
sir.
And then from those 10 small pieces, we cut them again into
Those many
equal
pieces.
parts.
Yes, sir.
again with those small little parts, we cut them into how many parts?
Countless.
Countless.
Yes, sir. Countless.
Very good. Yes, it will be very small.
In
Correct?
the
What do we
powder.
do with that?
Sir, powder,
Yeah,
sir.
correct.
Yes. Units,
What
sir.
I have done here is, I have cut it into small pieces.
Can
Then
I
it is decimal
can I hold?
number. Have you heard? Decimal
Yes,
system?
sir.
Decimal numbers?
Decimal.
Has anyone heard?
Decimal.
No, sir.
10 rupees and 50 paise. Have you heard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the minimum money here? 1 rupee. Do we have anything less than that?
No,
No,
sir.
Sir,
Then
50 paise.
50 paise, 25 paise, 50 paise,
1 paise,
25 paise is there. So, we have 1 rupee. 50
One
paise
rupee.
and 20 paise are less than 1 rupee,
Yes,
right?
Yes, sir.
Now, we played the bank game.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will give you a problem. You will have to solve that problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
B. You give 100 rupee to the bank. How many 10 rupees should they give?
10 rupees.
Is it correct? She counted. Did you count? Yes.
Hmm.
See if it is correct, whether it is 9 or 11.
We must count, sir.
Is it okay? A. ₹1,000 you give it to the bank. How many 10 rupee notes will he give? 1,000. How many 10 rupees? 100. Do you have 100?
No,
sir.
sir.
How many 100 should you give?
One.
10. Does he have 10?
10. No, sir.
No, sir.
I'll give. Yeah, he has to give me.
Count quickly. Is it okay?
Counting, sir.
Nothing less or more.
Hmm.
You
No, sir.
give 10 of 1 rupee note. 10. Give it. What should the bank give? Let us see. What will the bank give?
10,
Sir.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
So-
sir. Yes, sir.
What did we see here? Did you understand?
Yes, correct, sir.
Good. When we played a game with the bank, listen, which are the notes that we used?
1
One
rupee.
rupee.
1 rupee,
10 rupees.
10 rupees,
100 rupees.
100 rupees,
1000 rupees.
1000 rupees, right? We did not use any other note, correct?
No, sir.
So, why did we use only these 4 notes? To make you understand decimal system, decimal number system. I wanted you to know. It is
Okay,
making a bundle of tens.
Yes,
That
sir.
I wanted to make you understand. Now let us play one more game. Shop game.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you like shop
sir.
game?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is shop game?
Shop,
Shop,
I know.
shop.
I
I
know
know,
how to
sir,
play
I
the
know.
shop.
You have to go to the shop. There will be a lot of things. You should go and buy it. You should take money and buy it.
Yes, sir.
Do you only give money or do you take something?
Money or
Yes.
shopkeeper, I'm shopkeeper.
You have to take money. And then do you simply take money and send them back home? You have to give them change, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you all gone to the shop?
Yes, sir.
Have you taken the change correctly? Now, I need a shopkeeper.
Me, sir.
You come up here. You are the shopkeeper. Come, stand here. What is this? This is a fruit shop, okay?
Yes.
You will sell the fruits. You have to make a price list.
Okay.
Let us say these are mangoes.
Mango.
How much is it?
Sir, yummy.
Per mango? 5 rupees.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is lemon.
I'll see
3
at the
rupees
back.
per lemon. Okay.
Mango.
Mango.
How much is this?
3 rupees.
3 rupees. This is orange.
Orange.
10 rupees.
10 rupees. This is
Apple.
apple. How much is per apple?
15
rupees.
15. Okay. Apple is 15. Orange is. What is this? This is a bigger one.
Carrot.
Carrot. How much is carrot?
Carrot.
20 rupees.
20 rupees. Okay. You know how to sell it, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now they will come here one by one. You should ask
Sir,
him.
me first. Sir,
You
please,
should
sir,
take
me
money from the
first.
bank and come here.
To me, it's mine.
Oh,
No,
take this
sir.
money.
Do you have money?
Yes,
You
sir.
should have different money, not just one kind of money.
Yes, sir. I
I am
have
getting.
1000,
I
sir.
have money.
Here, 2 rupees, 5 rupees,
5,
20
6, 7,
rupees,
8, 9,
everything
10.
you should
10 rupees
get.
I have. What all
You're
can
not
I get?
hearing?
Come.
I can get.
You
one
should take
carrot.
little money, not all of it. Okay.
10 rupees I have. What you thought?
Come, we'll go
From
back.
Jasmine team,
I'll get.
we have Vihan.
Uh,
Vihan, what do you want to buy?
I want 2 lemons. How much is
One
it?
lemon is 3 rupees.
I'll get 2.
6 rupees.
6 rupees. One banana.
One banana
And
30 rupees.
banana. And one apple.
Apple.
And one orange.
Apple 15 rupees. Orange 10 rupees.
I'll get one of that.
Okay.
How much is it?
One
One
mango
mango?
is 5 rupees.
So how much
Did
is
you
it
write
totally?
down mango?
Um,
Okay. Now count it. How much is it? This is 10
10.
rupees.
10,
23.
23,
How much is it?
6.
4.
Okay.
This is 1. Then 6.
Six.
This is 6, right?
Yes, sir.
That is 66.
66.
66 rupees. Right?
Yes, sir.
66 rupees. Do you have?
100.
100 rupees.
Mm.
You have to give change.
Okay, sir.
How much did he give? How much should he pay? 66, right? How much change do you have to give?
34 rupees.
Is it correct?
Yes,
How do you
sir.
know? How did you calculate?
In my mind, sir.
Oh, in your mind. Very nice. 100 minus how much? 100 minus
100 minus
66. So how much did you get?
34.
34. Check if you have 34.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how did he give this 34?
3 of 10 rupees.
No. You gave him the change, right?
4
First,
rupees.
You gave 1 rupee notes.
4 1 rupee notes.
And then what happened?
Then
It became 70. And then you gave
3
80,
10 rupee
90,
notes.
100. Did you see how he counted? He did not subtract, he added, right? Very good, very good. Did you understand? Claps for them. Go sit down. Now in the next game, you two come here. Where do you come from?
Oh, they did so
Bengaluru,
nice.
sir.
From Bengaluru. Okay. Come here. 2 people are coming from Bengaluru. How much is lemon? You should ask him, okay? You
I
should
want
ask him the
one
price.
Lemon. How much is lemon?
1 lemon is 3 rupees.
I'll take 1. How much is for orange?
Orange is 10 rupees.
You should keep everything that you bought to a side.
Okay.
Don't give it now. You should pay later, right?
Okay. How much is greens?
Beans.
This shop doesn't have
10.
any chocolates only.
Now, both of you, are you buying together or separately?
Separately.
Separately. Okay. So, this is your item.
What else do you want? Apple 15 rupees.
Give me greens.
Okay, greens is 10 rupees.
Now, what are the things that you have bought? Count it here. Okay. Have you seen them give the bill?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us see. You give them a bill.
What have you bought?
I have got
Apple,
3
how many?
apples.
What is the price of apple?
15 rupees.
For 3 apples?
45.
Right. 45. Okay. Then,
Greens.
greens. What is the price of greens?
3 greens.
10 rupees.
So, how much?
Th-
Huh?
30 rupees.
Write it down. Greens,
30.
3. 30 rupees. This is orange.
And
Orange and banana.
Let us do
Orange
the
is 10
totaling.
rupees.
You have to tell them how much it is.
Total 108.
Now they have to pay 108 rupees, okay? Bill, good, very good. How much did they give you?
110 rupees.
How much should you give them back?
I should give 2 rupees back.
Okay, 2 rupees change. Very good. Now, count her amount.
Okay, what and all have you taken?
1 orange.
How much is the orange?
Orange is 10 rupees.
Okay, then lemon
1
1.
lemon.
How much?
3 rupees.
Then
2 apples.
30 rupees.
2 apples. How much is for 1 apple?
15 rupees.
How much for 2? How much for 2 apples? 1 apple is 15. 2 apples? See, the shopkeeper may not count it properly. Right? If you know maths, only then it will be okay. Otherwise, he can cheat you, right? Then, what else did you buy?
2 greens.
Okay. Now, what is the price of greens?
20 rupees. 10 for each.
10 rupees each. What is the total? Tell her.
63 rupees.
Okay, give 63 rupees. 63 rupees. What is the change you should pay?
37.
You tell her how much. How much did you give?
100 rupees.
100 rupees. What was the bill?
63 rupees.
63. What is the change you got? Put it together. Count it.
1, 2,
Tell me loudly. I can't hear.
1, 2,
Huh.
3. 37.
37. Right? How much did you give?
100.
100. What is the bill?
63.
63. Right? For 100 rupees, if you have to pay 63, what is the change?
37.
How much?
37.
You got 37 rupees. So we went to the market and we saw how to buy things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, make a big circle. You come here,
Okay,
dear.
sir.
Okay, sir.
You move this way. You go there. Now, I will sell bananas and come here. I will have bananas here.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, when I sell bananas, I will say you will get so many bananas for so much rupees. You have to think which is a better deal for you. Okay? You have to
Okay,
think.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bananas, bananas, bananas.
Bananas.
4 for 10 rupees, 4 for 10
Bananas,
rupees,
I want, sir,
15
bananas.
for 30
Bananas.
rupees. 15 for 30 rupees.
Oh, I
4
don't
for
know
10
so
rupees.
much. Wait, I'll
So, which is a better deal for you?
15.
What would be a better deal?
I'm hungry. I want to eat banana.
4 for 10
Sir, I
rupees.
have-
So
I
then,
counted.
what is the cost of each banana?
2 rupees
2
50.
rupees 50 paise. What did I say next? For 30 rupees?
15 bananas.
15. Then what is the cost of one banana?
2 rupees.
Two
sir.
Huh?
rupees.
2 rupees, right? So, which is a better deal for you?
Sir, 15 bananas for 30 rupees.
Bananas. for
Think about it.
30 rupees.
If you buy a banana for 2 rupees, it is a better deal for you. So, what should I buy?
2
rupees.
For 2 rupees. So, what did I say? 30
2
rupees,
rupees.
15 bananas. So, 15 twos are
30.
30. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So, for one banana, you have 2 rupees, and that is a better price for you compared to
2 rupees 50.
correct. One banana was 2.5 rupees. This is how you should count and see which is better. Now, when you were selling vegetables, what was your bill? 108
sir.
rupees. Now, I have 500 rupees. 500 I have, 108. And I will also give you 8 rupees more. I'll give you 500. 108 rupees is my bill.
Okay, sir.
I will give you 8 rupees also. You have to give me change, right? So how much should you give me?
490 rupees. 490 rupees.
Have you seen this? 108 rupees is the bill. I gave 500 rupees. But I gave 508 rupees. Then what is the change you have to give back?
400 rupees, sir.
400 rupees. Let us write it and see.
Okay, sir.
508. What should we do? What is the bill?
108.
108. What should we do with this?
Sir,
Subtraction.
Subtract, yes. Let us subtract. Let us write the place value, unit. Right. Subtract 8 from 8. Subtract 0 from 0.
Zero, only,
Zero,
sir.
sir. 4.
How did you get 4?
400.
Okay, very good. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clap for her. Earlier, we played a bus game. In the bus game, when you were, let us say you were young, you were 3-year-old or 8-year-old, right? What would happen? You would get a half ticket,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us say, who was the conductor?
Me.
Oh, you were traveling,
sir.
right? What was the price for Chikmagalur?
60 rupees.
60 rupees. Okay. 2.5 tickets. What would be the amount to be paid? 60.
120.
120. That is 120. Okay. Then what? What should you do for half ticket?
Add 30 rupees.
30 rupees, sir.
30 rupees. Right?
Yes, sir.
150.
sir.
Let us see how to do it.
Okay, sir.
What is the price of one ticket? 60
60
rupees. How many tickets do we need? 2.5. This is 2 now. And then half ticket. For that, half money, right?
Yes, sir.
30 rupees. What is the total?
0.
6 and 6.
12.
12 and 3.
15.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Totally how much should we pay?
150 rupees.
You were the conductor, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you know how to do this? For 2.5
No.
tickets, would you know what was the amount?
No, sir.
You should have told him, right? Would you have understood? No.
No, sir.
You should have taken somebody else with you.
No.
So, unless you know this mathematics, you wouldn't know. What did we do here? Addition, right? Did we do addition or not? Addition, correct? Right. Let us do it. What have we not written here?
Plus.
Plus sign. Now, I'll give you an addition sum. Will you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now,
I
what
know.
did you take? When you went to buy grocery, what were the things?
Apples, carrots,
You see?
greens, orange, lemon, banana.
In the bottom of the bill, you get something.
Total.
Total
The sum. Yeah, right. Correct. After that, they added everything.
Answer.
Correct. That is the answer. What is the answer about?
We added.
Whatever we have bought, the sum total of the price. After the sum, there is something else, GST. Do you know what that is?
No, sir.
That is the tax we have to pay to the government. Right. Now, when you have all that tax, let us calculate something. What do we have here? After rupee, what do we have?
Paise.
Paisas.
10 paise, sir.
Less than 1 rupee. Less than 1 rupee.
10
10
paise.
paise.
If I give 1,000, how many hundreds will you get?
10.
10. If I give 100, how many tens do I get? 10. If I give 10 rupees, how many 1 rupees? 10.
10, sir.
If I give 1 rupee, how many 10 paisas do you have to give me?
10.
10.
Now let us see how to calculate it. Who will do it? You have to count, okay? Count it. Do it loudly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
100 paise. 100 paise is 1 rupee. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
100 paise
100
is 1 rupee.
1 rupee.
How many are there? 10 are there.
10 are
If
there,
I give you 1 10 paise, how many 1 paisas will I get?
How many will I get?
10.
If I give you 10 paise, how many 1 paisa will I get?
100.
Let us count it.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8, 9, 10.
10.
So, for 1 coin of 10 paise, what will you get? For 1 10 paisa, how many 1 paisas do you get? 10. For 1 rupee, how many 10 paisa should I give?
10.
10, correct? I should give this one. 10 of these.
10 of those.
10 paisas, you will get 1 rupee.
1 rupee.
For 1 10 paise, how many 1 paisa should I give?
10.
Correct. 10 1 paisa coin. Correct. So, this is how we go from rupees to paisa. It is less than a rupee. That is paise. Correct. Now, when we went to the grocery shop,
Yes, sir.
we have to pay tax.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
every item that we buy, it is not just rupees. There will be some rupees and paise also. Have you seen it?
Yes,
Where
sir.
have you seen it?
In the shop.
Where have you seen rupees and paise written?
In the
In the
bill.
bill.
In the
Have you
bill
seen it
I
in petrol pumps?
Yes, sir.
How much is
No, sir.
a liter of
No.
petrol?
50 rupees.
It is not 50 rupees.
100 rupees.
They usually write 74
I
rupees 38 paise.
Yeah.
Right? This is how they
Paise.
write.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Some
sir.
items along with tax would be written like 36 rupees 74 paise. This is how we can see it. So, when we have prices like this, we see it like this, right? When you look at the bill in a shop, do you go to a shopping mall and get a bill? Have you
Yes,
seen it?
sir.
Rupees and
sir.
paise, both will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do we add it? Will you do it?
Yes.
Who said we have to add?
Sir, I
Did
said-
you say?
sir,
Come.
Said we have to add.
Next one, you will do it, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
You have to say it loudly. 8 plus 4 is 12.
12.
And you carried over 1, right?
Yes. 3 plus 1.
How much is this?
Plus 7.
And this?
10.
7 plus 3?
10.
10. Then you have to add 1.
1. 11.
11. How much should you write?
1.
Correct. And then
Carry forward 1.
see what happened here? How many paisas here?
74.
How many paisas here?
74.
74
74.
paisas. This is 74.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And how much is this? 38.
38 paisa.
When you add these two paisa values, how much did you get?
12.
112 paise. 112 paise. We wrote 12 paisas here. We carried over 1 rupee. For 100 paise, what did you get? For 100 paises, what did you get?
1 rupee.
1 rupee.
1 rupee you got it. So, what is this here? This is 4 rupees, this is 6 rupees and 1 rupee.
1 rupee.
How much is it?
11 rupees.
Correct.
1 carry over 1.
And now, what is this? What is this?
3,
Correct.
7, 1,
7 plus
11.
3 is 10 and plus 1 is 11. And then point. You have to write the point. 111. You had 112 paisa here. We wrote 12 here and carried over 1 rupee here. For 100 paise, we got 1 rupee. And then we added 6 rupees and 4 rupees and added one more. And then
11
we carried
rupees.
over 10 rupees from here and 10 rupees. And this is 3 tens.
11.
Here we have 7 tens and here we have 1 10. So how many 10 rupees?
11.
11 10
10
rupees.
rupees.
11.
So
10
totally how
rupees.
much? How many tens? 1 1 1. 111 and
12
paise.
111 rupees and 12 paise. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
You give her a clap.
Good job.
Now you know about money, right?
Yes,
sir.
Now, have you seen Ganesha festival?
Yes,
For
Yes,
Ganesha
sir.
festival, we get contribution, right? We do go for contributions, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
People
sir.
give money. Some people give 10 rupees, some people give 5 rupees, some people give 2 rupees, some people give 100 rupees, some people give 1000 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
500
Yes,
rupees,
sir.
20 rupees.
They give 1000
Right.
also, sir.
You get a lot of money like that. Now, how much do I have? I have to add. How do we add it? Come. How will you tell them?
We have to add.
Add. How will you add? What should you add first?
We have to
Add
add
units
everything.
place.
Now, see here, when we added here, how did we, in what direction did we go? From here or from here? From here to
From
this direction, right? When you have money in your hand, how do we add? How? First, you have to add 1 rupee or something else.
From 1 rupees to 50 rupees and then to hundreds.
See, if you start adding 1 rupees, there may be a lot of 1 rupees, right? It may be 600. I have 10 rupees, 200 notes. I have 200 notes of 5 rupees.
So much money.
But then 1000 one note and 500 two notes. Then what should I add?
1000.
1000.
Right.
1000.
Why? See, I should add the bigger note, then I will get an approximate value of the total amount, right? Otherwise, I will keep adding 1 rupees and it will take a long time. Correct? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What should I count first?
Big note, sir.
5 rupees or 500 rupees?
500.
500 rupees.
Okay, let us count it here now. Quickly,
1, 2, 3, 4.
loudly. You have to count loudly. Tell them. How much is it?
2,100.
100. 2000.
2000.
100.
100.
100.
Then
2010.
2000, 100, 20, 30.
30. 40.
Do you have bigger notes? No.
No.
10. One more.
2000.
100.
2140.
Totally. Tell me.
2140.
2140.
20.
40, right? 2140. Right? So approximately I have the amount I know. Now, money when we have in our hand, we have to.
add.
Yes, very good. Clap for him. Okay. Do you want to do one more?
Yes.
See?
Yes, sir.
Count how much is there and tell me, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
All right. Shall we close the class here?
Yes.
For today.
sir.
Did you all have fun?
Yes.
What did we do today? Did we learn lessons or did we have fun?
Both.
sir.
Oh, yes. You played games and learnt a lesson. Good.
Yes, sir.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
we will sing a song, we'll play a game, and we'll do a dance.
Okay.
All three. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Play and learn.
Do and understand.
Do and understand.
Play.
Play and learn.
Do and understand.
Bye.
Bye.